How to make an infinite image using Runway. In order to do that, let's head over and scroll down and click on this All Tools. And then from in here, scroll down until you can see this option called Infinite Image, wherein you can expand an image with text to image generation. Let's head over and click on this, and then this will open this particular tool. So for example, for this, let's head over and then you can have the option to add in your own image. So let's head over and upload right here from computer. So for example, let's add this person. And as you can see, she's been added. So you can head over and then just try to think it. Now you can also put in here this. So let's head over and add a dress for this one. So you can head over and then type any prompt that you want. So once you have added the prompt, you can head over and click on this generate option right here. Now this will load your actual image. And then from in there, you should be able to see the result. You can also see here the generations left for this one. So each generation image used 5 credits. As you can see, it has created us this, which is actually not good. So you can head over and then just try to do this again. You can head over and then just try to do it again or reset things for this one. But if you're satisfied with this, just click on this download option. So that's how you make an infinite image using Runway. Hope we helped.